Hi, my name is Aneya Marie and I'm with ClownAntics.com, and today I'm going to show you how to juggle. We have 3 balls. I'm going to ask you to focus on one for the moment. In basic juggling, you really want to make sure that you glue your elbow to your side. When I'm teaching children, I ask them to take a sewing needle and sew their elbow to their side, because one of the basic tendencies that happens when you're learning how to juggle is that your hand slowly goes higher and higher to catch the ball instead of allowing the ball to fall to your hand. So a lot of people do this, which cuts off the height and also creates a hectic feeling in having to reach the ball in time and cutting off the height for it. So after you sew your arm to your side, practice throwing the ball just above your head, keeping that elbow low because you want the ball to fall to your hand. When you feel like you have a very good handle on that, you will switch hands and throw that ball to your next hand. Trying to hit the same point, which is about right of here. You can go a little bit higher if you want, but trying to get the ball in the same spot. Just do that forever until you feel super confident and you have consistency of where the ball is going and landing. Once you're comfortable with that, grab your second ball, keeping those elbows sewed to your side. You will practice throwing one and then the other. Nice and high, working on your catch and keeping those hands nice and low, waiting for that ball to come back to you. When you feel like you have a good handle on that, now you crisscross your balls from one hand to the other. So it's throw, throw, catch, catch. You can begin by throwing with your dominant hand, but at some point definitely practice starting with your non-dominant hand. So throw, throw, catch, catch. Really working on getting both those balls in the same spot so you don't have to run after it. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Switch dominance. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Throw, throw, catch, catch. It's very good to be ambidextrous in this type of skill. Once you feel pretty confident, you are ready for your third ball. So when holding your balls, you grip the first ball that you're going to throw, which is in this hand right now, my orange, with 2 fingers on the back, squeezing and holding and pushing it into the other ball. Your third ball that you will be throwing is your yellow ball, and that is gripped with your pinky and your ring finger as well as your thumb. It's just a holding spot so that you can start that first throw. This is your second ball that gets thrown. So going back to your exercises of throw, throw, catch, catch, you keep that same concept and try and get a rhythm in your head, because that third ball has to get thrown pretty quick and in the same spot for there to be time. Again, remember, keep those elbows nice and low. A lot of people rush the throws because they're catching very high. They feel rushed and the juggling trick doesn't go so smoothly. So really focus on tying those elbows to your sides. So I will first throw with my orange ball. Blue ball goes next, and the yellow ball has to go immediately. It feels fast, but once you get a rhythm, you'll be able to, for sure. Hold the juggle. And always start with your non-dominant hand or your dominant hand, but switch back and forth. And you can see I'm also catching the third ball in the same way that I start off with. That takes a little practice, but it becomes muscle memory. And it's harder doing it sitting down because you don't have the freedom to move to catch the ball, especially sometimes it will get away from you for sure. But this is a basic juggling act. Nothing too fancy, but super impressive. Thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to visit the links below and like and share this video.